welcome to another week of quarantine. It is actually Wednesday, April the 22nd. Once again, I am starting on a Wednesday. Well, nothing really went on the last few days between Sunday and now. And probably not really too much going on today, to be honest with you, but figured at least I should check in since I'm trying to do a weekly vlog during this crazy time that we're dealing with. But the one thing I am trying to do today, I've been home. This is my 4th week being home, 3rd week working from home. Figured I better start watching what I'm eating because it's during this whole time it's very easy just to basically eat whatever you want when you want it type deal, and get my butt moving and exercising. Yeah, so I figured I need to get back in somewhat swing of things, just mainly health-wise, because honestly, I've had all the time in the world the last few weeks and really haven't been exercising or eating right. And that's totally my fault. That's all on me. So I am starting just a little bit new regimen. Kind of new. I've done this before. I just had a meal shake this morning. Actually kind of filled me up, so that's a good thing. And I'm doing a little concoction of apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, a little bit of a sweetener. I have a no-calorie sweetener. I think it's made from monk fruit, if I'm not mistaken. I'll have to double check on that. And some lemon. It's like a little tangy mixture, but it's supposed to promote a little bit of a weight loss, and apple cider is good for your digestive system anyway. And it has a little bit of just nutritional value in it, so I'm trying to get back on that. Actually, I just ordered some multivitamins and probiotics, and actually a feature called it's collagen peptides, which I should really be taking regardless with my ulcerative colitis, because it's not only good for like skin, hair, joints, all that, but it's also good for digestive health too. So I ordered all that through, I think I ordered through the Vitamin Shop, I think is the website. So hopefully I get my shipment here within the next couple days. Depends on what goes on with everything that's been going on with shipments. So yeah, I'm to the point now, I'm just sick of sitting around and sick of feeling like a blob, basically. And that's what I feel like. I feel like I'm a blob. So I'm trying to get back into some movement gradually. Maybe I'll do some yoga today or some floor exercises. We'll see. But I am working at the moment. So I just wanted to pop in between calls and just say hey and what I'm planning to do. And hopefully I stick with it, because I know me, I really don't stick with it that well. But at least just make moderate changes for now, not a drastic change. And if I do moderate changes slowly, I should be able to stick with it. So fingers crossed, I guess. And I've been just rambling along for the last almost 4 minutes. But I'm going to get back to work here. And I'll probably maybe check in around like lunchtime or after work and show you what exercises, or tell you what exercises I've done today. So I'll catch you in a bit. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, April the 23rd, and it's still a chilly day. At least the sun's peeping out once in a while, so that's a good thing. But I'm here working, and actually I had the morning off. So I'm working this afternoon, but I got a nice surprise today. I got these beautiful flowers from no other than my wonderful husband. And it was very much needed. Did brighten my day. Just seems like this week I just been kind of down the dumps. Really shouldn't be, but it's just, I think this whole thing's starting to get to me a little bit. And just having a little brightness and color and love delivered to me basically did make my day a lot better. So thank you so much, dear. I really appreciate it. And I really, really did need that. But just wanted to pop in, show off these beautiful flowers. And not sure, maybe we'll, sorry, itchy nose. Order something, takeout maybe today. We'll see what happens, but we will catch you later. We ended up doing dinner on Friday night. Just so weird being in the brewery and nobody there, but had a good dinner. Well, happy Saturday, everybody. We're on the road and see Dave's getting gas over there. And we are actually making a run to the liquor store. Now we have the option for curbside pickup now, so we're going to grab a couple of things there. I had to call and pre-order what we wanted. And we're just going to go home and relax and maybe enjoy the outside today because it's actually half decent. So we're going to take what we could get. So we'll catch you guys later on. All right, what does one do during quarantine when the weather's half decent? We get to clean vehicles. Yay! Oh God, did they need them bad. It's been so muddy and disgusting. Ugh. And we took Tucker for a ride a little bit earlier, and my whole backseat of my car is disgusting. Well, it was disgusting since I just cleaned it. Cleaning the car out. It's not 100%, but at least it'll do at this point. And I actually just finished editing the vlog for, well, by the time you see this video, I've already hopefully watched it from last week, so I'll stick up in the card up here. Finally got that done, I should say. And now we are making dinner. It's gonna be burgers and dogs on the grill. Yay! So it'll be the first time cooking on the grill this season, so looking forward to that. I mean, like burgers and dogs, but it always tastes better on the grill, so we're gonna head outside, and I'm gonna make some, well, I'm gonna not make, but deep fry some pierogies for the side for today. So that's our dinner. We're gonna make our drinks here with with vodka. Oh, there we go, and the orange soda for tonight's drink, care of the Degenerate Cruisers. So sounds really yummy. So let's go make some dinner, guys. And like that, it's Sunday. At least I'm not closing out on a Wednesday. That's a good thing. But just yesterday, we enjoyed, just after cleaning the car and cooking on the grill, we had a couple of cocktails, that orange soda and the whipped vodka. Oh my God, that is so good. It's dangerously good. I had 3 of them. I don't know. Just wanted to just enjoy. It was really good, but it does get sweet after a while since it is orange soda. But then we just kind of just crashed for the night, and ta-da, here we are. But I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in for another week of this quarantine vlog. But if you like this type of content, please give it a big thumbs up. It means a lot to us if you like our videos. And please comment. Just want to see what you guys are up to during this crazy time. Can't believe it's been basically a month of being in this situation. I know it's been a little bit longer, but in more of the quarantine mode. Just want to see how you guys are doing. Hopefully everybody's doing well, everybody's staying safe, everybody's healthy. Trying to do the most as we can here. But thank you so much, and we'll catch you next week. Have a great day, and have a great rest of the week. Bye.